Hey traders, welcome back to LutaMarkets. I'm Grace from the LutaMarkets team, and I'm thrilled to take you through a detailed GBP USD recap from June all the way to now based on some incredible analysis from our very own Engineer Luta. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive right in and break it all down for you. Let's take a trip back to June. After our weekly market breakdown, Engineer Luta sat down with the team and shared a really insightful outlook. He told us that GBP USD still had some upward momentum left in it. To guide us, he marked out a key point of interest, or POI, and explained that once the price reached that level, we should be on the lookout for a reversal. And you know what? His prediction was spot on. Take a look at this chart. The price followed his projection almost perfectly. It climbed steadily, building momentum, and then hit that POI right where he said it would. Our team was ready and managed to catch some amazing entry points just before the drop began. It's moments like these that really show the value of Engineer Luta's expertise. Pretty exciting stuff, right? Now, let's fast forward to July 20th. Engineer Luta was back with another update that proved just as spot on. He alerted us that the price had tapped into that critical zone, and he forecasted a pullback followed by a strong drop to continue the bearish trend. And guess what happened next? Check out this chart. The price reacted beautifully to that zone and dropped exactly as he predicted. Since then, GBP USD has remained in a bearish phase. And if you were following along with that setup, you likely scored some solid pips. It's a great example of how staying tuned to Engineer Luta's analysis can pay off. So where do we go from here with GBP USD? Don't worry, Engineer Luta is already hard at work on the next update, and we're committed to bringing it to you right here on this channel as soon as it's ready. The Forex market moves fast, so make sure you're subscribed to LutaMarkets and connected to our Telegram community. That way, you'll be the first to know when the next big move is coming. You won't want to miss it. Before we wrap up, I'd love to share a quick tip. Trading can be unpredictable, but having a solid plan, like the ones Engineer Luta lays out, makes all the difference. Take some time to study these charts, note the key levels, and practice with small trades if you're new. Consistency is key, and we're here to help you every step of the way. If you found this breakdown helpful or learned something new, please hit that like button, drop a comment to let us know your thoughts, and subscribe to LutaMarkets for more updates. I'm Grace, bringing you the best insights from the LutaMarkets team. Stay sharp, stay consistent, and always trade with a plan. We'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.